What a drop on the SPY, guys. If we look at it here, it broke through support we were watching yesterday, and it was critical at 562. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 9 a.m. at our Discord. You can see it there popping up, and it didn't get canceled till a bull indicator at 12:35 p.m., and it lasted for nearly over 3 hours. There was a strong bear indicator there into the open, into the bell, weakness on 42 vision, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, and put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and joining the members using 42 Vision to gain that edge within the volatility. And it's a great way to learn charts along the way. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the SPY here was pretty weak. It wasn't the only one. You also had the QQQ here with a strong bear indicator here in the pre-market that popped up early on into the bell. Pure weakness there, and no bull indicator till the middle of the day as well. So we're seeing here multiple charts and multiple stocks show us that dip area here on 42 vision back up to the rip area of bright green bars. You see it here on the QQQ as well. And that's something to not ignore, even though a bull indicator has popped up on both these charts and still below the support we were watching on the SPY from yesterday to today, right? That was that opening low and strength to push up to the resistance, and that rejected here multiple times, and then we came below that level, and we've done a full transition from the dip area to the rip area. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP500 index, back under a bear indicator for the first time since down here at 555 on the 30-minute, popping up at the 565 level and lasting to dominate all day. Now again, full transition there from the rip area from yesterday's highs to the dip area today. And it's going to be crucial to watch if it could retest the support that is crucial and is now a resistance at 562. Pretty strong support down here, fighting above 560, but we're still below that level here of 562. That's going to be crucial. And any move back up, we want to see a bull indicator pop up to justify the move and cancel out this bear indicator. Now, in the bigger picture, we are seeing volatility, but a bull indicator has popped up on the 4-hour, but the 1-day and the 1 week are still under bear indicators here, right? Since way up here at 603, and then you have the 1 week confirming for the first time a bear indicator since up here at 591, and we hadn't seen one since the bull indicator that popped up at the 539 level last year in August. So this is the first bear indicator in quite some time. It's been several months and weeks, and here it is confirmed, and we could see this bar, the second one, trying to hold up, and if the supports get tested, we may break down to even lower levels. The lowest that we hit was 550, and if that breaks, well, then we have levels below that we definitely need to reassess and see. And we're not that far from it. We're just $10 away from that low, and we're here trying to hold up. Now, you could see on the 1 day, it tried pushing back up. It's going to be crucial for a bull indicator to roll over as well, and for the 4-hour to go ahead and not get canceled. If this one continues to hold on this pullback and it comes back up to retest resistance levels, what I'm going to be watching is the 1-day chart, right? Because the 1-day chart has not had a bull indicator in weeks, and if one pops up, it could be the beginning of retesting new resistance levels, right? But the reason why any pop back up is not justifiable right now, for as long as this bear indicator is popped up, is because those resistance levels are strong and they may reject and bring things down to test key support levels. And we've seen it in the history of the chart, every single bull indicator and bear indicator in the previous times. And this is where 42 vision gives us that edge to understand the trend and strength. Well, this bull indicator was pretty strong on this pullback, and it wasn't ever justifiable because no bear indicator popped up and it went back up to test key resistance levels and support was found. Same thing with this bear indicator. Every single pop back up, it retested it and rejected those resistance levels to retest the supports, and it would try to fight, and every pop back up was not justified until a bull indicator popped up with strength because this bear indicator was dominating. And same thing on the way back up, the pops back down, they held support, pushed back up, and so far this bear indicator has been dominating for the last several days and weeks. And here we are seeing it live in the charts that every pop-up is not justifiable. And this is one of the strongest ones that we've seen here so far since this bear indicator. And this is where 42 vision really gives us that edge and clarity. Now on this pullback, I'm going to be watching closely if this 4-hour can hold, because then in the bigger picture, we may roll over if we retest resistance again into the 1-day. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys. And the first support level is the 560 level, guys. Down here at 560, it's going to be crucial to hold. If that gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is 558 and then comes down towards 555. To the upside, in this tight range, the first resistance is 562, which was the support from yesterday, and we are now below it. And then above that, the next level I'll be watching is up at 564 to 563 level, guys. These are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to get access to our 42 vision indicators, inflow versus outflow, and our bots. It's a great way to learn charts along the way and receive that edge within the volatility. And as always, guys, we look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. And let's make some money.